Hello friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to MadhurasRecipe.com. Today I am making Hariyali Khichdi, that is green khichdi. Now this is very healthy, nutritious variation for regular dal khichdi. So here's what you need. Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. We need half cup of rice. So here I have taken this broken basmati rice. It works perfect for any type of khichdi. We need 2 tablespoons of moong dal, split moong dal, then a cup of finely chopped onion, 1 green chilli, some ginger, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped green pepper, that is capsicum, 3 tablespoons of green peas, 3 tablespoons of green peas. We need some spinach leaves, salt to taste, a teaspoon of Garam Masala, half teaspoon of Red Chilli Powder and half teaspoon of Cumin seeds. So to begin with, in a blender jar, first add in the spinach leaves. I have washed the spinach leaves really well. Then a piece of green chilli and some ginger. Also let's add in some water. Close this up and make this into a puree. That's it. Now here this nice and fresh spinach puree is ready. Our spinach puree is ready. Now next let's take this rice and dal into a bowl. Mix that in and rinse this 2 to 3 times in cold water. Now you don't need to soak them, as we are using broken basmati rice here, so you don't need to soak this rice. If you are using long grain basmati rice, then you can soak that for at least half an hour. Now let's start to make this khichdi. For that I have preheated a tablespoon of oil into a pressure pan itself. Now in that goes in half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let the cumin seeds sizzle. Then we'll add in garlic. Adding garlic is optional. And saute it for just about a minute. Now, after about a minute, let's go ahead and add in finely chopped onion. Mix that in and cook this onion for 4 to 5 minutes or until it gets light golden color. After sauteing onions for about 5 minutes, you can see that they have started to get light golden color. Now at this point of time, go ahead and add in Garam Masala, Red Chilli Powder, mix that in, and now let's add in all our veggies, green beans, capsicum, green peas, mix that in. Also go ahead and add in this spinach puree. Mix and cook this for 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Let's go ahead and add in this rinsed rice and dal. Mix that in. Let's add in water. Now add in salt for taste. Now I like my khichdi to be really on softer side. So for half cup of rice I ended up adding 2 cups of water. Close with the lid and on a medium heat I am going to hear 3 whistles. So here I have cooked this Hariyali Khichdi over medium heat until 2 whistles. All the steam has also released from the pressure cooker. Wow, look at the color and consistency, superb. Hariyali Khichdi looks fantastic. You can serve this with a dollop of ghee over it. It also goes perfect with some papad and some pickle on the side. So enjoy this healthy, nutritious Hariyali Khichdi and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.